Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am gonna be showing you guys the latest Gucci backpack with Gigi. So this bag is really new, and when I got it at Gucci store, the store attendant told me they just received it a week ago. So in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how it looks and what can fit into it, so stay tuned guys. So this is me unboxing my bag and just opening the dust bag and bringing out my Gucci bag. I really like this bag because recently I've been so into neutral colors because they're like very elegant and they just stand out, and also like you can wear neutral color and just look really classy. So yeah, that is why I love this color and I picked it. When I saw it on this website, I fell in love with the bag immediately. Yeah, so this is me just removing a lot of the stuff they put into the bag and showing you guys how much space it has inside. And right here on the floor you can see I have my wallet, my laptop and my iPad, and I'm currently putting them into the bag to show you guys what can fit into the bag. I'm currently planning to go on a trip, so this is gonna come really handy for me. As you can see, my wallet and my iPad is inside. No, I'm about to put my wallet inside, but my iPad and my laptop is inside already, and my wallet fit right in, and there's still a lot of space left. So yes, I love this bag. It's not so big, it's like a medium size, and it has a lot of space inside. But there's one problem that I have with this bag that I'm going to show you guys soon. Yeah, so the straps, it's really tight. As you can see, I had difficulty adjusting the strap. Other than that, the bag is really great, and I am glad that I purchased this. I'm so in love with this bag and I cannot wait to rock it. I hope you guys loved this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you guys in the next one. Bye.